5 seconds. Appellant preferred an appeal against the aforesaid sincerity list, which was rejected by the Commissioner Hisar on 2/5/1998. He filed a civil suit challenging the order of the Deputy Commissioner Sirsa dated 23/2/1984 and the order dated 2/5/1988 passed by the Commissioner Hisar, which was decreed on 28/2/1991, and the Singh Ratan Pal 2013 11 14 1030 I attached to the accuracy and integrity of this document. Punjab and Haryana High Court Deputy Commissioner Sirsa was directed to fix the seniority of the plaintiff appellant at SR number 14 and confirm him with effect from 1/7/1981. The order passed by the Deputy Commissioner and the Commissioner were also set aside. The respondents preferred an appeal against the aforesaid judgment and decree of the trial court, which was also dismissed. White judgment and decree dated 9/4/1996. Sued for declaration to the effect that White Order number 104247 estate dated 21/4/2000 passed by the Singh Ratan Pal 2013 11 14 1030 I attached to the accuracy and integrity of this document. Punjab and Haryana High Court defendant number 2, the plaintiff was rightly confirmed WEF 17/1981 and was allotted selection grade 1 for 1979, and he was treated to have been promoted WEF 12/10/1990 instead of 16/12/1992, and consequently his pay was rightly fixed at rupees 480 as on 1/4/1979. White Order number 267175 dated 16/8/2000 and the order dated 4/4/2022 passed by the Deputy Commissioner Sirsa, whereby the plaintiff has been allowed selection grade WEF 17/1981 at rupees 480 instead of 1/4/1979, and order dated 4/6/2004 bearing endorsement number KCEA 432123 dated 9/6/2004 passed by the Commissioner Hisar Division, Hisar defendant number 3, whereby the defendant number 2 has been kept at liberty to make recovery from the plaintiff on account of getting the pay fixed at higher rate, and 2 orders bearing number 11, 130, 114, 120 estate dated 14/1/2005, whereby the pay of the plaintiff has been wrongly fixed at rupees 480 in the selection grade WEF 17/1981 onward instead of 1/4/1979, and his next date of increment instead of 1/10/2002 to 1/1/2003 on account of alleged broken period due to suspicion period, and order number 11/130/121 estate dated 2005 passed by defendant number 2 D.C. Sirsa on the basis of aforesaid order dated 4/6/2004 passed by the defendant number 3 whereby a sum of rupees 39,195 relating to period at Sirsa plus alleged excess amount received by the plaintiff during his positioning at Jind has been ordered to be recovered from the plaintiff and he has been directed to deposit this amount in the government treasury within 15 days from the date of passing of the order is illegal, null and void against the principles of natural justice, statutory rules, arbitrary based on no evidence and are liable to be set aside, and Singh Ratan Pal 2013 11 14 1030 I attached to the accuracy and integrity of this document Punjab and Haryana High Court for further declaration that plaintiff is entitled to get his suspicion period from 4/4/2002 to 1/7/2002 to be spent on duty and is entitled to full pay and allowances for the said period, and order dated 1/1/2005 treated the said period to be the broken period is illegal, null and void, and is liable to be set aside as a consequential relief. The defendants be directed by way of mandatory injunction to relieve the pay of the plaintiff in the selection grade at rupees 480 as on 1/4/1979 as per previous order dated 16/8/2000 and treat the period of suspicion as period spent on duty and for permanent injunction restraining the defendant from implementing the aforesaid order dated 14/1/2005 and from effecting any recovery from the plaintiff on the basis of evidence of every description, oral as well as documentary.